here again with Nicole. Nicole, thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
What do adrenals do? What is that?
They make us get up and go in the morning. They give us our fight or flight or our rest and digest. They do a whole host of things. Plus, they pick up where other organs leave off. Because if your liver can't do certain things, your adrenal's going to come swoop in and help you there. And it helps our cortisol levels, which again is either a bear is chasing us and we need to be in fight or flight, or we're resting and digesting and we need to eat our food and have it properly digest.
So I guess supplements and so on for adrenal support is really popular right now. Is that right?
Oh, yes. Everybody's on the adrenal fatigue train right now, which is not a bad thing, but they should know how to do it properly.
Okay. So that's what I want to ask you. What are the right supplements and what should you do for adrenal support to get the benefits of what it's supposed to do?
Okay, so it's the basic four, you guys. It is, you want these four things there's lots of things right now out there like adrenal tonics, adrenal support. That's what you're going to find when you look into the supplement world for adrenal fatigue. So what you want is these four things have to be in that supplement: vitamin C, B vitamins, magnesium, and an adaptogen. So why? Because vitamin C produces stress hormones in a good way. So it regulates those. It helps us balance it out and gets nutrients into the cell. B vitamins give us our nerve help. They give us our energy. Magnesium is helping with it's calming the nervous system down, but it's also helping us to sleep. And when you have an adrenal problem, the biggest thing you need is sleep and rest to make them rejuvenate. And everybody's on the adaptogen. They're going out and getting ashwagandha or rhodiola, and they're not understanding how those things work in the system. So you want your tonic or support to have some kind of adaptogen in it. If you're very fatigued, rhodiola helps with that. If your holy basil regulates either you need some up or you need a little bit of down. Ashwagandha is very good for moods. Those are adaptogens, and what adaptogens do is they will regulate the body according to what the body needs. So if you have too much of it, it will downregulate it. If you have too little, it'll uptake it. The other one that I always add on to people that I know have adrenal fatigue is tyrosine. And that's because tyrosine protects your stress hormones. It actually protects cortisol. So as you're kind of getting, really, really fatigued, it's going to be that buffer in that stress management for you. And it increases the neurotransmitters in our brain. So it acts as if it's an antidepressant. So there is help in the adrenal support for you.
So where would you suggest that people go? I mean, did they go to the nutrition store or they buy something online? What would be the first step into, doing what you're suggesting?
If you think that you really do have adrenal fatigue and that is your root cause, the first thing you need to do is do a saliva test for your cortisol. And that is very simple to do. You can contact me, you can contact someone that's in this realm and get a saliva test, because those are the best. A blood test for cortisol is not good. They do not hit the mark. Then someone like me reads that and I can tell where you're needing help with cortisol. And if you actually do have adrenal fatigue and there's not a deeper root problem there, then you need to find someone who can give you the right supplements for the right type of fatigue. That's very important because you don't want to put a rhodiola with somebody who needs ashwagandha. That's a mood issue. Rhodiola is a fatigue issue.
Wow. Okay, you guys, put your questions in the comment section. If you have more, Nicole can help. She points you in the right direction. So put them in there. If you've experienced this or you have input, we'd love to hear it. And Nicole will watch those comments. So any last words on this, Nicole?
Get help if you really think you have adrenal fatigue, because it may not be the root cause. It may just be the underlying problem.
Right. And then you got to know what modifications to make in your diet or supplements or whatever to take. Otherwise, you're just shooting in the dark.
Absolutely. And the last thing I will say is lifestyle. You guys, if you truly do have adrenal fatigue, you need some direction in your lifestyle too. That doesn't mean work harder. It means work smarter at your ending goal.
Okay, Nicole, again, thank you for your input and your insight. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.